Hey guys, today I want to introduce you to our third year apprentice Dave. What job are you working on today?
So I'm just welding up the stainless tray for the container.
What sort of welding are you doing?
TIG welding.
What's the advantages of TIG versus MIG?
TIG's more inaccurate, more fine. MIG, it's more like coarse, if that makes sense.
What year school did you get to?
Year 12.
Year 12? Did you finish year 12?
No.
And you decided to do a trade?
Yeah.
Did you know what you wanted to do when you finished school?
No idea.
No idea.
No.
And what is it you like about this job?
Well, TIG's definitely one of the things I enjoy like the most.
Yeah.
TIG, yeah.
So outside of work, what's one of the other benefits of being a tradie?
Well, you can use these skills in different things, cars, anything to do at home.
You fixed anyone's car yet?
Yeah, my brother's car.
Did he pay you?
Yeah.
That's good. Well, it's a pleasure having you part of the team.